tellement banglais balinga komela biere yango na mbinga na te na biere mais malgré ya kokanye biere te mayamela biere eza te eloko ya biso tomela biere banglais balinga biere soki baobeta bandi donc coming home he's home ezongi donc ezongi otala siko na bino lisusu asuivre dotoolanda siko match elingi ebanda tokota deuxième mi-temps omona biso tozalaki l'espoir tozalaka balimboka epesatonga kosukotamokwa yango akokona lelo babone na biso alita motivation bosakote masoma bopartage bolai alakaka exposikote england desoekomonine ekufelitekandekunaobakitotoza deuxième quand même tosala effort mais ce que dit les soucis na ezali bato bapolisie biso baa banoir te noir bangateli sikokoyoka sikoyo baefo bakofingela biso tosikotekaka koyebakake bafinga biso tolimatanaka te bakofingama na biso me ea nango polisi te donc tolikine mingi omona primasi
Voilà, on est ensemble. On est dans l'invitation à venir pour massivement.
epa na biso mokokokisa mbongo awa bato misala deja balobaki libana lokoki baza off biso nyonso off donc pongi na pongi bobanga te lolobi tokotanga te tokosala te lolobi mosala eza te soki toganye te nga baza off soki toganye moki otika bana na classe te soki toganye te bokende te po toza na susi ya match ala kaka soki tozongi esala biso esika tokozala bien loka mpe esili ala kaka tozela ngo ebike soki toganye covid esili dongo bakata baje wana baje mpe makasi soki toganye encore boys Jackson le baïke lobby dans la lobby donc off mais tu es monté attention to gagner please on ne va pas coller dans l'enco on ne va pas dans la place on tire l'étape vous allez la channel domela tellement banglais balinga komela biere yango na mbinga na te na biere mais malgré ya kokanye biere te mayamela biere eza te eloko ya biso tomela biere banglais balinga biere soki baobeta bandi donc coming home
He's coming. He's home.
He's home already.
Donc, ezongi otala siko na bino lisusu asuivre tolanda siko match elingi ebanda tokota deuxième mi-temps omona biso donc tokontinue.
England déjà. Hi. C'est cool là. He's coming home. Ese Roya. Le monde va salir quoi? Quoi est normal?
Bonucci. If he's doing that, then England will be more than happy. I think Gareth will be obviously happy with the goal. Like a little bit more control of the ball in the second half. The Tyrants have all the ball, but they haven't hurt me and they haven't really created all of the chances, which is good. It seems to be a lot of the guys seem to really be on the same page as far as defending and to close down that section. 45 minutes of the Italians have got the ball in the second half, so a little bit more control. Di Lorenzo. A few seconds of the first half. England started brilliantly. Just as the half has gone on. See a big chance to Federico Chiesa. Intents and purposes, if they can get through that 4 minutes that have been added at the end of the first 45 minutes going in to the half-time break. Insigne. Very tired. Certainly Phillips. 5 substitutes are available. The regulation nominates the both managers. Actually about to make the first of theirs. 16 is restricted. Research, whole body of work in the library at St George's Park on penalty shootouts, techniques, how to manage yourself in the moment. Savage is not managing himself. Seconds to go. Get on the ball. Instructions have been given to Harry Maguire a piece of paper from Marcus Rashford which has been stuck down his sock. 5 seconds to manage. And 3 minutes of additional time. Has that not been steered home? Cristante with a glancing header, didn't get it quite right. What a let-up for England.
Oh, they should have learned as well because it was Cristante who got to the near post for the goal. The near post fake and he was there again.
This England team have got an advantage that they've had recently on penalties. The Italians have had that too. They've had the last 2 shootouts. The 21 players on Tuesday night. Marcus Rashford at the moment is having to play the right way.
Well, the right back to the squad and has decided to get another one. Just filling in gaps at the moment. Take that cross down. Tell me now, he's already starting to get the right. Harry Maguire will be able to participate in that. Just pointed to Sterling on the left-hand side, so I think
Tita. Oveni mpona match ya England.
Angleterre, bato bavandi mawe moto poli omoni calme
England, les autres ont gagné, on perd, on est quand même deuxième. Les autres problèmes de match ezala na oka boye ne bomoni ne bato bakomi 3 bato baoloba suscité. Donc eza problème te tosepela quand même toketi na finale tobimi deuxième. Donc na Europe soki nini kuku wana babengaka toa deuxième. Tosepela toza bien lobi bokende classe te toza na grève po toganye te tolance toganye te donc tokende classe te tokende misala te manager soki abengi oyo yebisa ekenda na stress nalalaki na hôpital esalinga choc donc panique attaque esalami toke te okende kotika bana na baklasse te mpo kanda mais tozaka seke tolingi bino mingi osabone na Anita Mavita Show toujours #1 na UK. We love you lots. Bisous, bye.
Tabat ne bakomi mawa. Yoko mwana biso.
Bongo, on va expliquer l'histoire.
Expliquez non. Baitane baote ba merde na Congo te.
Oh, c'est une merde direct. Na Congo ba Congolais ba lié. C'est pas tout va têter ba.
Toujours avec Anita Mavita Show, hein? Toujours, ma voix est hein? He was at home already, but they say he's coming home. He was already there.
You see, next time is he already told to connect some more.
I'm telling you.
They're gonna
Italy. Next time, England, we trust you. You look tired.
Inaugération d'Akoma UK, collaboration Tozako Luka, solution, Kaka pour l'intégration. Oh eza, Anita Mavita Show, Bobo Sana, Kosa Bonete. Oh eza, Anita Mavita Show, Bobo Sana, Kosa Bonete. Botalaka Anita Mavita Show.